Hi Adorners, it's almost summertime and today we're going to be whipping up some cute pineapple cupcake treats for your summertime or your upcoming holiday. If you're interested, please keep watching and welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Okay Adorners, so I just went ahead and whipped up a few cupcakes using nothing but pineapple soda. Okay, if you are watching your sugar, then I would definitely suggest maybe club soda and a sugar-free alternative. Kiss pineapple single that goes in your club soda and it'll give you the same effect instead of a soda. All right, so I've added a little bit of this. I actually added a little bit of this, about a half a packet to my icing. I'm gonna show you that. And these are really cute. All of this is from the Dollar Tree actually, as well as this. And we also have an amazing pineapple float. Okay, vanilla ice cream, pineapple soda, and again, if you're watching your sugar, then you would definitely use the club soda and the pineapple packets. And this is vanilla. This is just a basic vanilla ice cream mug, also from the Dollar Tree. It's so great. If you follow me on any social media, you know that I really love pineapple.
So we have our ingredients. Let's get started with our cupcakes. You'll need 1 Pillsbury or your favorite cake mix and 12 ounces of your favorite soda for this recipe. We want to be sure to get rid of our lumps, add in our soda, and mix very well to incorporate. Now it's time to fill our cupcake liners. These were also from the Dollar Tree. Into the oven they go on 350 for 20 minutes. Now it's time to add about a half a pack of our sun-kissed singles to our icing. Time to take out our cupcakes. We're going to mix and incorporate our pineapple single into our icing, and it's time to frost. I really like using the back of a spoon to frost our cupcakes and give them a beautiful look. Let's decorate our cupcakes with our pineapple straws. We're going to insert the pineapple straws after cutting them in half. These will make a beautiful summertime display for any occasion. Now using some vanilla ice cream in a large mug, let's make our pineapple float. Of course, Adorners, our float can be done with root beer or any flavor soda that you really love. Let's garnish with our pineapple straw and we're ready to drink.
Memorial Day holiday, and as always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor, and as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.